Can you just tell us a bit about yourself?
My name is Sarah Med.
Well, my name is Iran Sofia Martinez.
My name is Lauren Deja Perry, and I am in the DICR program.
And I'm in the DICR program.
And can you tell us a bit about the research you've been working on this past summer?
This summer, I was working with Dr. Neche Adler and Jan Kirayuski. Also over the summer, we were working on ocular angiogenesis, and we wanted to see if there was any therapeutic potential when we removed notch 4 from the cornea cells.
This summer I worked with Dr. Keith Naylor and we focused on improving colorectal cancer screenings, improving health services.
This summer I worked under Dr. Ardit Durambus in the GRACE trial. The study is essentially looking into different interventions for pain for sickle cell disease. We looked at the effectiveness of acupuncture and guided relaxation to reduce pain and opioid use. We also looked at social determinants of health to be able to learn about the better qualities of life for our participants.
And how did you benefit from the program this year?
Working alongside Dr. Keith Naylor exposed me to various professions and perspectives, solidifying my career path. So now I know that I want to become a medical professional, so I will be pursuing an MD rather than a PhD.
The benefit of this program is being able to gain research experience and work in a lab that's goal is to be able to help the general public. I know for DICR, the large issue the large goal for the program is to be able to learn about social health determinants and health disparities, and that's what one of our goals for the GRACE trial was.
I would say I benefit from this program because I learned a lot about scientific writing. And I also learned a lot about different types of lab techniques that the school didn't teach me. Because when you're in class, they don't have time to teach you all of the little things. So she taught me a lot of things that I think would be good for lab experience and stuff like that.
And what's something you learned this past summer?
I learned how to properly draft up a proposal and how to properly draft up a poster or research poster.
This past summer, under my lab, I was able to learn about social determinants of health. For my research, we looked into area deprivation of index, and we learned how zip codes and where our participants live affects their quality of living, which is a big determinant for their pain crises.
I learned a lot of big words. I think that was the one of the biggest things for me, was just being around a bunch of different scientists who are doing very well in the field, learning from them, and also understanding how to take in constructive criticism from my writing and stuff.
And can you share a favorite memory from the program?
Having to work with live mice models.
My favorite memory would have to be visiting the Sickle Cell Center at UI Health when we were recruiting participants for the GRACE trial. We were able to talk to our participants one-on-one and learn from them and their health, as well as being able to share with them our goals for our study. And this was an eye-opening experience because we learned about their issues and why we essentially wanted to do the research, and basically why we chose this career path.
I really liked that I got to work mostly independently. My mentor did teach me what to do, but I really liked that I got to do it by myself mostly. So I was mostly working on calling patients, and I really liked the connection that I made with them.
What type of person would you encourage to apply to the program?
So anyone just interested in pursuing a PhD or medical school, any type of science, basically. Because I felt like our research was very broad, and there was different things. And you guys had a lot of different speakers coming in and introducing us to their fields.
I encourage anyone in the public health community and anyone who's interested in research and to be able to gain research opportunity.
I'd say anyone who is interested in science, of course, and definitely someone who likes lab experience. I think those are the strongest things that you would need personally to want to be in this type of program. You don't have to know anything about cancer. I didn't know a whole lot coming in.
Do you have any advice for future students coming into the program?
I would say just being open would be the best thing if you're coming into this program, because there are going to be a lot of learning curves. There are going to be a lot of times where you feel like you don't belong. I did have a couple moments like that coming in because I'm surrounded by a lot of people who have PhDs, a lot of people who have 20 plus years of experience. So just being open and just fully submerging yourself in the program.
My advice is to be able to take advantage of the resources and opportunity provided by this program. You learn about the different labs and different programs here, and it's a great way for networking and connecting with people that have the same interests as you.